Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bluetooth in your Chrysler Town and Country. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in park and the ignition is on. Then, locate the phone button on your Uconnect system and press it. The system will then ask if you want to pair a new device. Select Yes to proceed with the pairing process. This initial step is crucial for establishing a connection. Now, let's prepare your mobile device for pairing. Take your smartphone or tablet and go into its settings menu. Look for the Bluetooth option, which is usually found under Connected Devices or Network and Internet. Tap on it and make sure the Bluetooth toggle is switched to the on position. Your device should now be discoverable by your Chrysler's Uconnect system, ready for the next step. With your device's Bluetooth active, look back at your Chrysler's Uconnect screen. You should see a list of available devices. Find your mobile device's name and select it. A 6-digit PIN will appear on both your Uconnect screen and your mobile device. Verify that these numbers match exactly. Once confirmed, press pair or connect on your mobile device to complete the secure connection. This ensures a safe and private link. Congratulations, your device is now paired. The Uconnect system will typically ask to download your phone book and recent call history. Allow this for full functionality. To ensure everything is working correctly, try making a quick hands-free call using the voice commands or the touchscreen. You can also play some audio to check the sound quality. Enjoy the convenience of hands-free communication and entertainment in your Chrysler Town and Country.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.